You want to go to the Stripe settings by clicking on this gear icon. Then on the product settings, click on the payments option. From the payment settings, tap on this payment methods option. On this page, you may scroll down and search for the Pix payment. At the Pix option, hover your mouse over it and click on the enable button besides it. And you may select if you want to enable the one-time payment and recurring payments when your customer are purchasing using the Pix. I'm gonna turn these two options on because my products are using both of the payment types. Then hit the enable button again, and Pix will now become one of your payment option. This is one of my payment link with the Brazil currency, the Brazilian real, and as you can see, the Pix is showing as one of the payment method. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.